sebenzi ama-mini stove lana e-microwave awu-13 ngemali engiyithola ngale phone. Ngemali engiyithola ngale phone ngikwaze ukuholela abasebenzi over a period of 1 year ngale phone. Ngemali engiyithola ngale phone ngikwazi ukurenta u-30,000 over a period of 1 year ngale phone. Ukuba benginenkomo ngabe sengiyayisenga manje. Ngoba manje sikuNovember manje ngabe isizele. Ngabe inkonyane manje siyagijima manje ngabe lilala endlini. Ngabe ngiyayisenga manje ngidla amasi enkomeni. Ngidla amasi. Ngifuna ukuthi uyibheke ukuthi wenzani efonini. Mina yabona menginale phone ebhenki wena uthi uno 30 rand kune product ozama ukuyidayisa ithengwa. Ngizithi mina iphi phone yakho siyithatha ifone yakho siyivula singena kuma settings si requesta ngo 30 rand lutho nawo sithenge ngo 23 rand ispace ku internet. Sikudayisela into yakho kade imili ingathengwa. First time abantu bezwe ukuthi kanti udayisa ngeenkukhu zempangela namaqhude namakoneshi. Abantu endaweni bekwazi laba bale mgaqweni kuphela, but bonke labantu abaleduza kwakho sebezokwazi manje. Ku 23 rand using a phone. Having a phone nginenkomo ezo5 esibayeni ngifuna ukuchitha yodwa. Ngino 50 rand ebank ngifuna ukudayisa inkomo nginento engipentshile. Ngingathatha u23 rand ebank times 2. Ngithenga ispace ku internet. Ngingadayisa lenkomo within 1 week. Having no phone ngingadayisa lenkomo within 2 months ngingabe sithengiwe. At a depreciated price foot. Not at a prime value engisuke ngifuna ngayo ukuthi inkomo. And then understand the power of having a phone that we are not going to play games ngayo. Having a phone, it was a lockdown during COVID. I only had a phone. I was renting 13,000 where I was staying, living in Musgrave. And having a phone, I was affording to pay rent, pay my course, eat. Life was buoyant. Using a phone, you must understand what farming, it does not work for everybody. That is why in South Africa we got few farmers compared to engineering. We got more IT guys than farmers. You understand?